guys, welcome back. On this day I ride to work at the hospital after 7 a.m. because I didn't get the message until 7 that my unit was short. We had a few new admits on our designated COVID unit. They sent me a message around 5, but I didn't get it until 7, so now here I am just getting here and heading to my unit to get started. I won't be showing much of what goes on behind the scene because of course I can't, but once I get to my unit, I check the board to see who my assigned patients are, then print out my patient list to get report. Social distance in the hospital is nearly impossible, but we are trying our best to do that by not charting at the nurses station, only working closely with our team, which is definitely impossible to not go and assist someone else, but also social distance in the break room and other close spaces. Before my food finishes cooking in the microwave, I'm going to wipe down my area that I'll be eating at, and also take off my face shield and wipe that down and put it back into the bag before having my lunch. On this particular day, I was so glad I was able to get a bite to eat because I worked yesterday as well and didn't get anything to eat. So today is Friday and we are going to Sam's so that we can get some things because our son is doing this little storefront with his cousins where we're going to have family and friends drive up and they're going to be able to just purchase candy and whatever type of snacks they want from them. Kind of like a lemonade stand, but it's going to be snow cones and candy and stuff like that. So I'm going to go get that stuff. And I am really tired from yesterday running around. My feet, they hurt, my legs, they're sore and everything. But you gotta do what you gotta do and take care of your work family. Be there to support them. And yeah, my feet really hurt. I'm gonna let y'all know that they ache badly. But yeah, we're gonna do that. Then I'm gonna come back and do a few things around the house. I don't have anything actually planned as far as what I need to do in the house, which I never really do, but tidy up. I just like a tidy place, so I'm going to do that. And yeah. I don't think we got enough time to sort out the fights, sort out the lies. Back home, and I have a whole damn mess in this kitchen, so I'm going to put up some of the stuff. Well, my husband already started putting some of the stuff up that has to be frozen right away, immediately or whatever. But I'm going to show you all some of the things that we got for the drive-by lemonade style candy store. So I'll show you some of that stuff and also show you some of the things that we got for the house. Then I'm going to wipe down the counters as I always do. I've always done this before COVID and everything. Just wipe down the counters after I bring something inside the house. And yeah, I need to wash our linen because it's time for that. And I don't know what else I'm going to be doing for today because nothing is planned and I don't have an actual to-do list. It's just a get it done as you get it done day. So come on. I'm going to show you what we got. Some naan bread from Sam's. I like using this for gyros and homemade pizzas. Various fruits that we ran to get from Aldi's. More sweet potato fries. I love them. I got 3 bags of those. I make them homemade also. Some bags of spinach and some other vegetables. Large shrimps, frozen biscuits, sea salt, tortilla chips, avocado oil, and Pop-Tarts from Sam's, as well as candy and chips for our son's storefront. Baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that it's still caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby, going down, 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 down. Baby, going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby, going down, down, down.
my plant by spraying it with a solution to get rid of the spider mites. They are a type of bug that like to infest certain plants, and this plant here, I had to take it out of its misery because it ended up getting root rot and infest from spider mites. I am determined to keep my other Majesty Palm plant that's here on the right alive and thriving, so I have now placed my diffuser / humidifier in between these two tropical plants just to keep the area moist, because I realized that our house has dry air. So these plants need a lot of humidity and light, bright light. So I have ordered a grow light, so I'll be using that as well as soon as it arrives.
Patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh, na, na, na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby, going down, 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 down. Baby, going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby, going down, 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 down.
Okay guys, I'm in my trashy office, so don't be judging me. I have some clothes over here. This is where I put some of the things that sell the most. I always go into the other area and pull them here and just line them up. I have to go ahead and get some more things for down there and on top. But this is where I do my little work from for my store, Jashaevon, which is named after my 3 kids, Jada, Shamar, and Davion. And I have some stuff over here on the floor also. But I'm actually in here to make the signs for the kids' store for tomorrow. Oh, and this dresser won't be here much longer. We're going to get rid of that in the bedroom set that we have in the garage too. So we're going to get rid of that. And yeah, I'm going to use this Cricut that my daughter bought me a few years ago. So I'm going to use this to make the signs and everything for the kids for tomorrow. So I'm going to let you guys come along and watch me do that. So I was using my phone to record, but now I'm using my camera, so the quality may change. It may be better, it may be worse, I don't know. But I'm going to use this because the app. This is my son's side of the store named KZD Sweets and Treats. These are his cousin's first 2 initials and then his.
A million people in the crowd, but I only see your face in all the lights. And as the bass keep pounding on me, baby, I really wanna make you mine. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever after. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah.
My son requested blue letters, but I didn't have any blue vinyl, so I went ahead and used a blue poster board. To make the sweets and treats a little larger, so I went ahead and recut it. after completing those tasks that I did earlier, I went ahead and stripped our bed and put on our blue bedding and took out all of the blue decor. Here's a panorama view of our bedroom the next morning. My husband, he was out getting everything together and set up at his aunt's house for the kids. Thank you. After I left the store getting me a few things, I went to Target and picked up some more Glade plug-ins. I love the bamboo scent, and some things for my son. These cups were 3 for $7.69 or something like that. I thought that was a deal because this one cup was $12.99, okay? And I picked up a few more things for my office. While I was out, I also picked up this tumbling tower. It's kind of like the Jenga, and my son, he wanted this as well. So since I saw it, I went ahead and got it. Now I'm making myself a pineapple bowl. I'm just going to cut this pineapple in half, add some pre-cooked rice that I already cooked earlier, and some shrimp that I'm cooking as well. The rest of the pineapple, I'm going to save that for a snack for later. I am going to tag a few items that needs to have tags, and I'm going to weigh a few things also, so I already have, I don't know what he's talking about, but so I'll have the weight of the item to make the process faster as far as like shipping stuff off. So he's in my seat right now, so I cannot sit there. What you doing? Out my tags, and I have my trusty tag gun. We have a love-hate relationship because sometimes it does a good job the first time and sometimes I waste product. A friend of mine ordered this one online for her daughter, but she's going to come by and pick it up. So I won't be tagging it, but I will package it the way I normally would, except I won't put it into a poly mailer. But I will show you guys the steps that I normally take to package my orders. If I was going to be mailing this item, I would put it into the poly mailer and fold it over nicely and put the label on the front of it. But since I'm not doing that, I am going to put my poly mailer back away because we can't be wasting no product. I'm going to end the video here, guys. I have to package a few orders of cosmetics and a few items of clothing for other customers, so I'll be doing that. But I want to thank you all for stopping by and checking out my video today, and I will talk to you guys in the next upload.